As 2025 comes to a close, the world of AI is changing faster than anyone expected. 2026 is shaping up to be the biggest year yet for AI entrepreneurs. New tools are replacing full-time employees, automating side hustles, and giving early adopters a huge head start. In this video, I'll share 5 ways people are already preparing to make money with AI in 2026, and how you can start before everyone else even realizes what's happening. I'm Julian Cross, your host from Idea Alchemy Studio. Together, we explore how AI is transforming creativity and income in the real world. Let's dive into the first way people are already making money with AI in 2026. Number 1. AI-powered YouTube automation. AI video generation tools like Runway Gen 3, Pika Labs, and HeyGen make it possible to create complete videos without picking up a camera. Creators write scripts with ChatGPT or Claude, generate voices in 11 Labs, and edit automatically with CapCut or Descript. Some channels already earn hundreds per day with faceless AI content, and this trend will explode in 2026 as YouTube rewards daily uploads. Your edge is to pick a theme like AI finance, AI art, or AI education and own that niche early. Number 2. Prompt marketplaces and AI personas. People won't just sell prompts anymore, they'll sell entire AI personas. Platforms like PromptBase and Hugging Face Spaces let creators package custom chatbots and visual styles for others to buy and use. Imagine selling a ready-to-go AI job coach or AI designer assistant. You upload it once and earn royalties whenever someone uses it. Think of it as digital real estate in the AI economy. Build once and rent forever. Number 3. AI art and merch stores. AI image models like Leonardo AI and Ideagram create stunning designs in seconds. Creators use them to design posters, t-shirts, and stickers, then connect to print-on-demand sites like Redbubble or Gelato. Each design costs nothing to create but can sell for years if it connects with the right audience. The next trend is limited AI collections, unique prints verified on blockchain for authenticity. Number 4. AI-Enhanced Freelancing. The freelance market is being rewired by AI agents that automate entire projects. A copywriter can let ChatGPT handle drafts, Notion AI for revisions, and Zapier to deliver final files automatically. A designer can use Midjourney for mockups and Figma AI to finalize layouts. Top freelancers in 2026 won't compete on price. They'll compete on speed and workflow efficiency. Number 5. Micro AI businesses and subscription bots. Low-code tools like Durable, Glide, and BotPress let you build mini startups in a day. Think subscription bots, an AI resume reviewer, a LinkedIn caption writer, or a chatbot that answers legal FAQs. Charge $5 to $20 a month and serve hundreds of users. The key is to niche down. Solve one specific problem people gladly pay for. Final thoughts. AI is not coming for your job. It's coming for your excuses. The tools are free, the barriers are low, and the window of opportunity is wide open, but not for long. Whether you start with YouTube automation, prompt markets, or microbots, your goal is to own a tiny corner of the AI economy. Subscribe to Idea Alchemy Studio for ideas that turn AI innovation into income. In 2025-26, it's not the people with the best ideas who win. It's the ones who turn them into action.
Idea Alchemy Studio Productions, turning ideas into digital gold.